Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. So today we are going to do a what's in my bag video.
We really love these videos because a woman's bag is literally her reflection. It's like pieces of her in a bag.
And it's very personal.
It's really personal. You can say a lot about someone with the things they have in their bag.
Like we can describe them, get a little bit more info on what the person is like maybe.
So let's dive in and start. So this is my everyday bag. It's a small Michael Kors shoulder bag, and it is really
Fun and nice to
it's
carry.
fun. It's petite like me. So I'll just take out things at random, and first I have my hand sanitizer, which is super herby and very nice, very fresh.
Yeah.
And it actually I probably like it more for the smell than what it does for me. And then I have my mask, and then I have like a few. So I always carry a lip gloss, a lipstick. Like I have 2 lipsticks. I normally carry a lip tint as well, but I think I don't have it in my bag right now. But this is really nice. These are my favorites. This is MAC. What's the color? It's creme in your coffee. So I love this. This is a nude shade. I think it's Revlon. I'm not sure.
Looks like Revlon
Yeah.
packaging.
Yeah. Oh, it's L'Oreal.
Oh, L'Oreal and Revlon, like really similar.
So it's really nice. And this is a brand called Kryolan. Have you heard about them?
Not really.
It's more like artistry makeup.
Okay.
Like very, very pigmented colors. and-
Strong colors.
Yeah. Then I carry a tint, which you can use for on your cheeks or your lips. Get pink.
Eyes too, I guess. Right?
Yeah,
It's
anyway,
like a
just
really great
yeah,
product.
just to have a complete flushed pink look. This is my lip balm because I have very chapped lips. I do not drink enough water. So yeah. And then I have my AirPods, which are
Used to like listen to music.
which are
I
super
guess.
fun.
Yeah. You can talk.
So then I have like a tiny mirror, and it's really crystal clear. It shows me everything. I could check myself on my phone, but seeing it on a mirror is, I don't know, it just way
No,
more.
you can just see more clearly.
You can just see more clearly, and I like carrying a mirror. And then I have my pen.
A
This is
sparkly
like
pen.
a sparkly Swarovski pen. I love writing, and this is great when you want to be sign-in deals or manifesting anything. I love white.
It's the kind of pen that looks like it'll get you what you want. Like super sparkly, super made out of dreams.
And then I have my keys, which have my house and car keys, whatever. So I made this out of a earring. I broke the earring and I made a keychain out of it. And this was made for me by my friend. I love cats, so she painted this pink paw for me. Then I just carry IDs and my cards. And then I have my perfume, which is the Hugo Boss
Woman, I guess.
Woman. Yeah.
The classic smell. We love Hugo Boss. Like the scent stays
Yeah.
all day long.
It's super fruity and floral. It's just amazing. It's so fresh. And because I've been using it in the recent months, years, whatever, it just brings back such good memories.
Nostalgia.
Yeah, so when I spray it on, I just feel so festive and feel so done and happy. And then I have this like a rose water mist. You just feel fresh any given time, whatever you're doing. So yeah, so that really helps. And lastly, I have this beeswax tablet, aroma tablet that I made. So I keep switching it up with flavors. And this time I did spiced version with cinnamon and orange oil.
Can I smell it?
Yeah. So it has cloves, cinnamon, star anise.
It's like very fresh.
Very, very fresh. And it just keeps your bag smelling.
And it's not like some fruity smell. Like it feels like it's meant for a bag.
Yeah.
That smells really good.
Yeah, you could actually make these tablets and put it anywhere in your wardrobes, rooms, cars, anywhere.
And like a very cute and very nice aesthetic decorative piece
Yeah.
too.
And I have my phone, which
Always.
is not with me right now. Because
We record them.
so that is what I carry in my bag. And let's see Monica's.
I have this bag which is like gives me really classic vibe. This is my mom's bag which I took from her because I'm her daughter and I need to have some benefits, so
Yeah.
this is mine.
Stealing from mothers is like the best feeling.
Yeah, like they don't mind it.
They don't mind it. They are more than happy to give you stuff.
So this is my journal that I carry with me all the time. If not this, if I'm carrying a smaller bag, I'll have a smaller diary or something to write in, like because I want to write it down, not like type.
Yeah, I think writing things have so much more power.
And you have more connection with the words
to
you're
what
writing.
you've written.
Then I have a sanitizer that's almost over.
She keeps us safe.
Safe. Now hope I don't have to like buy another one. I'm
Yeah, we
hoping,
can
like,
just hope that this
Corona
situation
gets over.
is done with.
Then I have my purse. So I have my IDs, some cash and cards.
A lot of cash.
Not really, but whatever. Like cash days are over.
I don't know, I still love cash.
Yeah.
Like more than a card.
But like the change issue, I never want to deal with it.
Yeah, but when you got a lot of cash, you don't care about the change,
true,
You're
true.
just like...
Yeah.
But it's just a mood. It's not the reality. But
Yeah.
it's cool.
So I have some lipsticks with me. So it's like mauve and like nude vibe that we go for always. And then I just have a mirror, like a cute mirror, to check if I put the lipstick right or not. So yeah, we need a mirror for that. It's a very cute mirror. Then we have a basic mask. Need to wear them. Be careful, like don't get black fungus or whatever.
It's not funny. Like, yeah, it's sad.
Yeah, we are laughing because so many things are like just adding to this already horrible situation.
Yeah.
Like, what do we do? So then I have this Elizabeth Arden perfume. So this is in green tea, super fresh again.
Green tea is such a classic. In
Yeah.
between, I think they were trying to stop it,
Haha.
but I think they brought it back.
Good
'Cause
choice.
People
I'd
were like,
say. We need it. So then I have a pen to write stuff with. I don't know when you might need a pen, so always
you
carry
or
a
your
pen.
friends, like a pen is really required.
Always carry a pen, like you should. Then we have like a very dear product. It's body milk named Miss Pinkety by Palette Path. So get yours at palettepath.com. Also, like, yeah.
Thanks for the plug. Like, this was not
You deserve
planned.
it, yeah. I carry a hand cream, but this
Okay.
is something like I just love to carry because I like the smell. You can smell good, and at the same time we moisturize like always.
Yeah, it's super
So-
fun, super easy to apply.
Yeah.
Smelling fresh. Smelling like a little berry cocktail.
So yeah, so that was that. So then we have a hand cream. This is by Dermafic, and it's like really nice, like a must-have.
Really
kind of thing.
hydrating hand
Yeah.
serum.
And then we have some sunscreen because it's sunny and you need
Because that's it. Like, you need
Yeah.
sunscreen all the time. It's just because.
So I have this mascara by Maybelline Hyper Curl. Not a huge fan, but like works.
That's the job.
And then I have my house keys. And what else? I have like a clutcher, a clip. So when you actually have to do stuff, like I just can't have my hair.
Hair, like, all
So I
over.
need this. Then I have a power bank because you run out of battery.
Required.
And then I have yet another Palette Baths product, an amazing product. So this is
This is proof that she's an actual fan because she's like hit pan with the lip
yeah.
balm.
So I think I need a new one. Maybe I'll try the other flavors.
Yeah.
But this like really helped me a lot. This is like a really nice product, and like genuinely, you should get it. It's like really good. It smells great too.
She's a supportive
Of like a very good brand and products, I'd say. Not just because I'm a friend. So I have a cute clip that doesn't go right now with the look, but a cute thing to have. So just have some cute things too in your bag. And I have a hair tie. Sometimes the clutcher or the clip doesn't work, so you need a hair tie to do the job.
When you're going in with the job.
Yeah. So I have my crystals, so I carry them wherever I go. They're super small and just help you recharge your chakras and like your energy. So this is carnelian or carnelian. So this helps with the root chakra and like very like supportive healing thing to have. And then we have citrine. So this is like for shiny power. Like
I think me and Monica are very like, we love citrine a lot.
Yeah.
Because I even wear a citrine.
and
she
both
carries
are both our moon signs are Leo. So citrine is a Leo
I didn't
crystal.
know that.
Yeah, it is.
Oh.
Guys, that is it. That's what's in my bag. I hope you enjoyed our video and this segment.
Please don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe.
We are going through like a disaster right now, like stepping like this. The YouTube gods are testing us. Bro, how did it move? It has like stuff in.
I don't know. It's been moving for a while, you know that. I'm not kidding.
Whoever is here, please don't like disturb us.
Anyway. Next up, there is a mask which I always use when I go out.
And then I have my crystals, so these are my babies. I think that is what doesn't want me to speak. Right?